NGEx Minerals is a Lundin Group exploration company. We're active in the Vicuña district in Chile and Argentina, which is one of the largest emerging copper-gold plays in the world right now. Super successful. NGEx holds the Los Helados deposit, copper-gold, one of the largest copper-gold development projects in the world. I think what differentiates NGEx right now is that we've got an advanced project that's had a lot of drilling done on it, and one of the most important things in the mining industry is to hit the cycle. I think we're heading into a historic market for copper, and the projects that are going to benefit from it are the projects that are part of the way along the path to development, and that's what we have at Los Helados, which has had a lot of drilling and a lot of work done on it historically. I think what retail investors should be looking for is catalysts. What's going to drive the stock price in the short term? And I think that's one of the areas that NGEx really shines in. We've just finished up a very successful drilling campaign in the first half of the year that identified some brand new high-grade zones on our flagship Los Helados project. And we're just about to start following up on the drilling success from the first half of the year. So what you can expect over the next 6 to 12 months is a lot of drill results. And those are, we're expecting those to be significant catalysts for the share price. And I think that's probably the biggest thing that investors should look for. Well, as I said earlier, I think the mining industry is heading into a historic boom. We've all heard about the energy transition. The energy transition is going to require unprecedented amounts of copper. So I think, any company that's got a good copper asset to deliver into that market is going to benefit very strongly. But with boom times come challenges. Everyone's trying to rush through the same door. So there's going to be a scramble for people, a scramble for money, a scramble for all the drilling equipment that we need to be able to advance these projects. And I guess the best way to benefit from that is to work with a company that's kind of gotten a jump on it, has a lot of experience in the region that they're working in, has existing relationships with suppliers, and is already going to be up and running when the boom really hits us. And I think NGEx ticks all those boxes. Best investment I ever made was an investment in myself and an investment in the company that I ran, which was the original NGEx Resources. And I think that's been one of the most successful stories of the last 10 years. So the market cap of NGEx in 2009, when I first started running it, was $40 million. 3 spin-outs later, the 3 spun-out companies are worth a combined $3 billion. I was a big shareholder in the original NGEx and kind of kept buying shares all along the way, and that's been by far the best investment of my life. So bet on yourself, bet on projects that you know and understand, and that's the key to success, I think. I think NGEx is one of the best exploration plays out there. The Vicuña district has gotten a lot of press, and I encourage people to look at a presentation that Neil O'Brien and I put together that's available on the Lundin Group website that kind of puts the whole district together. I would argue that NGEx is still the most undervalued piece of that district, so I think there's a lot of upside from here on out, a lot of catalysts coming up in the next 6 to 12 months as we talked about, and a lot more good news to come.